touching that thing, I'm gonna get rabies. What is he?
Wes, do not let him. Wes, you're better than this.
He's gone, buddy.
Chris, I think you
He's in the fridge.
smushed him. Is he back there?
He didn't come back through. I bet he is. He's got to be.
No, look.
Wes, look at Wes.
I'm ready.
I suppose he didn't
Pull
go.
it on out. Pull it on out.
Oh, there! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Get it, Wes!
Where'd he go?
I don't know. He went. He didn't,
No, he come back here. He's behind this. He come behind this.
he didn't climb up there.
Yeah, you did. He come up.
Yeah, he has
Oh, there's a hole.
A hole.
There's a hole. Oh wow.
He's back home.
You see?
Does anyone have a firecracker
Yes. Oh, not
Actually, I do.
in your truck?
Yeah.
How big of a firecracker?
God.
I mean, it's just letting them know that.
You're like the place on fire.
No, we're good. We're good.
I got a fire extinguisher in our truck too.
Oof. Wes, you had one job.
Yeah, you didn't get in the way.
Why are you wearing a garbage bag?
I'll take it off.
Oh wow. Oh wow. We are over here. Just wanted to start this video off with our shipping department here. Hard at work. Brett, our newest employee. Great job. He's handled everyone that gets their shirt. They've been handled by this guy. So I don't know if that's a good thing or not.
Yeah, it's not.
But he had his hands all over your shirts. So
Just my hands.
thanks to everyone that ordered. All these were from the turbo giveaway. We're about to do another one here. Frank is the winner, so I got his turbo and everything sitting right over here. As you can tell, it's a mess right now because we've been working all day. There's a storm going on. So is that an excuse to leave everything all messy, like running around?
It's typical of your excuse, though.
So here we go. We got the turbo, we got the wastegate and the blow-off valve. Everything heading to Frank here, shipping out tomorrow. So
we are out here tonight working on Monique. Ben, what we got going on here? Getting rid of some unnecessary stuff. God, that front bumper weighs at least solid 30 pounds, easy.
You need glass.
Easy 30 pounds. That thing is ridiculous.
Glass.
I need something because that is so heavy.
Yeah. I would not even. It would not even be a thought as to whether I was going to put that back on my car or not.
I want it to look chrome though. We need chrome.
You can chrome a glass one.
I need to take that off. Some guy wants that actually. And then some other guy wants the stock steering column, so part out. And then some guy that watches the videos wants the sway bar. If you want to get in contact with John, we can probably sell you the sway bar as well because I won't be needing that.
Yep. It'll be gone.
This thing's going to be bare bones before long. Then we're going to put the TRZ aluminum body bushings on there.
Yep.
And then we're also going to end up lifting it off the frame and boxing the frame in and doing a cage as well. Doing like a solid 10 point. Yeah. Everybody's kind of like, why are you waiting? And I tell everybody I'm trying to get the frame squared away. That way we're not trying to work around everything.
Yeah, do it right from the beginning. You never have to go back and take all your pretty work apart.
These full frame cars are pretty flimsy if they're not built correctly, so you have to do it all right the first time with these things.
Do it right the first time, and then you ain't got to worry about it.
Then we're also going to put a frame notch on it, so I'm going to be able to fit a little bit wider wheel on there. And then reinforce underneath the rear end a little bit more, put a few bars under there. Or else you're going to crease the quarter panel. Shout out to Richie for all the tips and advice he's give us on that, because he is the Grand National Pro. Richie knows everything about G-bodies. God, that come off so quick. That's insane.
Not hard at all.
This is a lot easier than working on a newer car, wouldn't you say? There's literally like only the minimal like parts that you need here. There's nothing extra.
You see what I'm working on when it's like late, like, and I'm working on it because I want to be working on it. It's fun to work on.
How long did it take probably 10 minutes to get that off. That's insane.
This is kind of stuff that you can actually have fun working on. It's not like a total pain.
Yeah. It's not like trying to work on like a Corvette or something where you're all cramped up. Look at what Ben's done.
We're currently shipping. Look
No.
at all of our orders. Brett has fondled every one of these.
Not every one of them.
You guys, in case you're wondering, the oh, here it comes. The MF label DT 4260
Bravo.
is not compatible with Mac. And if you guys know me, I'm Apple everything.
That's nothing new, dude. Nothing's
So-
compatible with Mac.
So we found out if you run it through a Mac but you use your phone, it will work. So
That's such a
but
pain.
what do we have going on out here?
Ben has literally like disassembled the whole front end of the car in like 10 minutes.
Oh, Montague?
Yes. Ben said he's tired of working on new stuff. He said the old stuff's so much easier. Is that not ridiculous?
Race front bumper.
Look.
Look at Phil over there working.
Phil!
Look at all this garbage.
Does the amount of room in here not like just amaze you?
A lot of room for activity.
There is. So much
Is
room.
this sold?
That's sold. One of the subscribers was talking about buying the sway bar. I saw he commented up. I told him to reach out to you. Some guy might want that steering column.
You got a place for your tools.
I know, look at that.
This is nice.
Old cars.
This is nice. God, you know how easy it's gonna be to set a motor in this thing?
It's so easy.
See what we got here.
So am I gonna reuse those clamshell mounts or no?
No. The one you ordered has already have them.
He was kind of surprised.
He did. I come out here and I was like, Ben, stop working on my shit without me.
They won't keep it.
Now Ben's gonna get the whole car tore apart in 10 minutes.
Yeah, it won't be long now.
Oh, we got the hood off as well.
Huh.
What you think?
A whole lot of gang shit going on here.
You're right. You know how many K-series you could put in here? About 4.
All of it.
You could put so many K-series in here.
No, I have to say, what's going on with that trans mount?
Trans mount. Oh, the...
Did somebody steal that from a bridge?
I know. Look how large that thing is.
Yeah, it's like iron.
That thing is so large and in charge.
That's iron. Like to weld that, you have to put like a 220 welder at max. Stick. Stick.
That thing's literally gonna save probably 30 pounds when we take it off there.
Burn a hole with that. Burn a hole. Yeah. You need a plasma cutter to cut that off.
God.
Oh no, Ben, need that. We're gonna need that so you know my man doesn't splash water on his charge pipe.
No, I don't want the Dayton's dirty.
You gonna air up that back tire?
No, it's fine. It ain't going nowhere.
Flat?
It ain't going nowhere. God, it looks like the tires melted into the ground. That's so crazy with these frame cars. You have to go through like holes in the frame.
That's more weight.
But we need that on there for the front end, right?
No, negative.
No? So what does that hold on? What is that for?
It did hold the front end on.
So we're just gonna create new mounts for the front end?
Absolutely. Something out of aluminum. Praise God. Or Brazzel. And aluminum.
Oh, that's a solid couple pounds. Oh, missing my middle one. I got 2 on this side. Hey, don't let that 50 pounds of dirt fall in your eyes, then. Don't need that where we're going.
Nope.
What are those even for?
For the
grill?
look over here.
Oh, I got you.
That nasty like rubber stuff. It's supposed to make air go.
Is that going? No, that ain't gonna go nowhere. So we're getting the steering assembly out of there because we're going to do the manual rack. So I guess this is kind of, I guess you could say, an intro into the manual rack assembly, huh, Ben? And she gone. Is that nut still hot? That thing was like 500 degrees. So, if anybody needs a UMI sway bar, hit me up.
Yeah, heavy duty. Good for a road course.
She's looking bare now. Hey, John. Oh, you're not John.
This thing's a turd.
You can back up and automatic.
The dang on line lock is.
That thing's hard
on
to
the
like.
trans brake.
That thing's
You
hard to
didn't hear
back
the
up in
brakes
that.
squealing?
Yes, I did. That thing's a pain to back up.
Yeah, it is. Between the spool and the brake trying to lock itself up while you back up.
So we've come to a stopping point. We got the front clip off. Got steering box off. Sway bar off. Anything else that I'm missing?
Oh, there you go. Next is the exhaust.
Yeah, the exhaust, and then that the cross brace for the trans, or whatever you want to call it.
Yeah. Whatever that thing is.
That thing's heavy AF. So that'll come off.
Starting to look more like a clean car.
Yes.
And less like all jazz fingered up.
Like from the factory with like little gold stars around it.
Yeah.
Oh, you get a star for this.
They just take like
Look at that thing.
something that's very simple and does a cicada.
What is he doing?
He's on his back. He ain't flying too well tonight.
He's drunk.
He's fucking drunk.
This is the new Westbo YouTube channel.
Is this the Westbo YouTube channel?
Wes has a little bit of dirt on his hands.
Holy smoke.
Yeah, John don't know anything
He's
about
bleeding
that.
a little bit too.
He's bleeding.
No, that's Ben's blood all over Wes. Look, come look. So how'd it go out there?
Yeah.
Good, come look.
What's the update?
The whole front end's apart.
Oh, do we need to go
Far
look?
last time we were out.
We'll go look.
Drink.
Guys, don't worry.
You like your drink?
You're-
Wes, we run out of labels.
Did
Yeah, we ran out. We had 30 more left, and we ran out.
I told you there's like 250 in that pack.
Well, we wasted 50 double for some now.
My shirts are gonna get lost in the mail.
That's great.
Hey, in there, Wes got footage. There was a cicada out there on his back. He was drunk as hell. I grabbed him and he started making that noise now.
Oh!
Monique got her face wiped off.
Like a South Carolina baseball. Wow, look at Montague looking good. I can still see you're running the full exhaust out the back. That's very nice.
You got a race dog master?
He said he's coming with a tailpipe record too.
Yeah, Chris, careful now. He's just gonna leave the tailpipes on, not run anything through them.
Yeah. Still gonna have the bullhorns out the side.
This is nice. Yeah, Phil had a nice recommendation to make that plexiglass so you could see when you window your block.
Yeah.
Oh wow, you got the steering,
Yeah.
all the 12 different pitman arms and everything off?
And the sway bar off as well.
Oh wow.
We're only working on 1990 and older from now on.
Why is that?
So much easier.
Oh yeah?
Look how much we got done in like 30 minutes.
Looks good. Looks real good. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. Wes was kind of your tour guide, working on the G-body a little bit. We got the other G-body here, which is going to be coming back to action here shortly. Go down, check out some new Ellis Nasty merch we got in the description below. There's your tour guide right there. Wes, what do you have to say about today's video?
On Monique, we're going to do the manual rack, so.
Oh, that's what's up next?
Maybe. We'll see.
Alright. Well, everyone go follow G-Body West. Go follow his build. We'll have a couple more videos come up here shortly. Hey, thanks for filming today. I appreciate it. I was busy folding shirts. So, go down and get your LS Nasty merch in the link below. Other than that, we will see you guys in tomorrow's upload.